All right, so we're getting heaps of questions about how to fit our Ranger handpiece for the UHF. This is the same on both sides, so we do a left and a right. Install's the same. This is how it comes packaged, and basically it comes as two pieces. All right, so we got an Allen key in the center of our thing. We're gonna undo that, turn it into two pieces. We dropped that, but that's cool. All right, so we've got this insert here from factory, and we just got to pop that out. So I've just got a trim tool, a plastic trim tool, and you literally just pop that bit out, and comes out one piece. You'll see we've got 3 clips. You could use a bread and butter knife. I would probably wrap it in a bit of tape just so you don't damage it. And then we've just got our 2 pieces of our handpiece. This bit goes in there, like that. This bit goes on here. Screw that I dropped goes in there. Do it up. And it's that simple. So all the people are saying that it doesn't fit, take this bit out. It'll be sweet.
Accelerate off-grid touring, powering your adventures.